If you're ready to get organized and work more efficiently, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get started using Monday.com, the powerful work management platform that can transform the way you and your team collaborate. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up your very first board, get your team working together smoothly, and unlock the features that make Monday.com truly shine. So let's dive right in. Everything in Monday.com starts with a board. Think of a board like the backbone or foundation of your workflow. It's where all your items, tasks, projects, and processes are tracked. Boards are made up of items, which could be clients, meetings, deals, purchases, or just about anything you need to manage. Each item represents a single instance, making it easier to keep everything organized and visible at a glance. To kick things off, let's create a new board from scratch. In the left panel, click +Add to start. Now give your board a name, something clear and purposeful like Team Marketing Projects, so everyone knows what this board is about. Next, choose your privacy level, depending on whether it needs to be public for the whole team or kept private. You'll also decide what your items will be called, which is handy for tailoring your board to match your workflow. Now, it's time to add columns. Columns are super important. They help you organize the key details you want to track for each item. For example, you might add columns for email addresses, locations, status, or even budget amounts. If you need a bit more structure, group items like upcoming projects, in progress, or completed, to help your team see where things stand. And remember, every board is fully customizable, so don't be afraid to experiment and find the setup that fits your process best. Not sure where to begin? Good news! Monday.com has a template center packed with ready-made boards for just about any purpose. Whether you're managing content, design projects, student life, or manufacturing, simply browse the templates, pick one that suits your needs, and start customizing from there. With your board ready, it's time to collaborate. The magic of Monday.com is its ability to streamline teamwork. Assign items using the People column. This way, everyone knows who's responsible for what, and people receive notifications when they're assigned. Don't worry if assigning takes a moment, especially if your list is long. It's worth it for clear accountability. Keep everyone on the same page by communicating in the Updates section. Post progress notes, ask questions, share files, or even toss in a GIF or emoji to keep things fun and personable. Add mentioned teammates to loop them in when you need them. Tracking progress is easy and satisfying. Use the status column to mark items as done, in progress, or stuck. Watching the column turn green as tasks finish is always motivating. Let's talk about board views. They give you different perspectives, like seeing all files in a gallery, collecting survey responses directly onto a board, or visualizing data with charts. Try out different views to find what helps you and your team work smarter. To really boost productivity, explore integrations and automations. Connect tools like Gmail or Outlook and set up automations to save time on repetitive tasks. It's like having a digital assistant handle the busy work for you. Once you've got several boards working together, use dashboards to get a bird's-eye view of everything. Dashboards pull info from multiple boards for easy comparisons and team performance tracking. If your team loves to brainstorm, Monday Work Docs are a flexible multimedia whiteboard where you can jot down ideas, rearrange elements, and even create action items straight from your notes. Feeling excited? If you want to level up your skills, check out the Monday Academy's self-paced course and earn a badge to show off your expertise. And for specialized needs, like sales, development, or service teams, Monday offers dedicated products tailored for your industry. Thanks for watching. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe for more hands-on tutorials and drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'm here to help. See you in the next video.